Hello students, today we will discuss about an important topic of physics which is units and measurements. So let's start the today's topic. Before starting we will discuss about what is physics. Physics is a quantitative science based on the measurement of physical quantities. After that we will go on what are called units. The word unit is used in physics refers to the standard measure of a quantity. It is defined and adopted by convention or by law that is used as a standard for measurement of same kind of quantities. Any other quantity of that kind can be expressed as a multiple of units of measurement. There are some standard tools placed in the museum. By taking them as a reference, we will find out any unit. Standard tools like a stone of 1 kg and etc. Let us take an example. In the figure below, there are some stone and a man. We have to find out the mass of man. If we take a stone from figure as and assume that as a standard 1 kg and comparing with this stone, we find out the mass of man and mass of anything. This standard is called unit of mass. Mass is a physical quantity and unit of mass is kilogram that represents the predetermined mass. When we say 10 kilogram sugar, then we actually means that it is 10 times the definite predetermined mass. The earliest known uniform system of measurement seems to have all been created sometimes in the 4th and 3rd millennia BC among ancient people of Mesopotamia, Egypt and Indus Valley, and perhaps also Elam in Persia as well. As of the 21st century, multiple unit systems are used all over the world, such as United States customary system, the British customary system and the international system. However, the United States is the only industrialized country that has not yet completely converted to the metric system, that is international system. The systematic effort to develop a universally accepted system of units dates back to 1790 when the French National Assembly charged the French Academy of Science to come up with such a unit system. This system was precursor to the metric system, which was quickly developed in France but did not take on universal acceptance until 1875. When the Metric Convention Treaty was signed by 17 nations. After this treaty was signed, a General Conference of Weight and Measure, that is CGPM, was established. The CGPM produced the current SI system, which was adopted in 1954 at the 10th Conference of Weight and Measure currently. The United States is a dual system society which uses both the SI system and US customary system. Let us talk about systems of unit. Before talking about systems of unit, let us talking about the definition of system of measurement. A system of measurement is a collection of units of measurement and rules relating them to each other. Let's talk about systems of units. The use of a single unit of measurement for some quantity has obvious drawbacks. For example, it is impractical to use the same unit for distance between two cities and the length of needle. Thus, historically, they would develop independently. One way to make large number or small fraction easier to read is to use unit prefixes. As science progressed, a need arose to relate measurement systems of different quantities like length, weight, and volume. The efforts of attempting to relating different traditional systems between each other exposed many inconsistencies and brought about the development of new units and systems. The system of units varies from country to country, and some system of units are CGS system of units, FPS system of units, MKS system of units, and SI system of units. Among the different system of units using in the world, the most widely used and internationally accepted one is the international system or SI system of units.